So the big blockbuster trade that has set tongues wagging in the basketball world, Luka Doncic, is now in Los Angeles as a Laker, while Anthony Davis is now in Dallas as a Maverick. People still trying to wrap their minds around it. But for me, it's pretty simple. Dallas got fed up with the fitness issues with Luka and decided not to gamble with a $300+ million max deal. They decided to let Luka go. They identified Anthony Davis as a target and initiated contact with the Los Angeles Lakers. The Luka capture was too hard for the Lakers to resist. So they identified and accepted the 25-year-old superstar as the future of the Lakers franchise, beyond the now 40-year-old LeBron James. As to who got the better of this trade, put it this way: the Dallas Mavericks with AD, Kyrie, Clay, and company can compete for a title now, while an out-of-shape Luka and a 40-year-old LeBron James will carry too much defensive liability for the Lakers to compete as is. Simple ABC. What's the issue? What's the issue?